Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5. So this week is the beginning of the case presentations, and really my video this week should be addressing any questions that have come in, but believe it or not, I have not gotten one question. So I hope that means that everyone completely understands it, and everyone's going to do a great job, and everyone's going to get all the points. In the meantime, some other updates, housekeeping issues. I sent an email out today to some of you who have not put in your timesheet for May yet. Please don't forget, you need to put your timesheets in. Also, learning contracts are due by the end of this week as well. And other than that, I think things have been going well. I'm going to be scheduling visits. I'll be sending out a email with some options for dates and things like that. If you have a preference or you guys already have kind of talked about it with your supervisor and you have suggested dates that work around vacations and things, please don't hesitate to suggest me a date as well. And I think that's all I have for this week. It's going to be a short video. If you guys have questions, though, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help, so let me know.